Previously, we have seen how to make crispy chicken bites, corn patties, Arabian chicken samosa. Those video links you can find in the description. In this video, I am going to show how to make potato fries at our home. It takes only 15 minutes to prepare. Before jumping into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more healthy and tasty food videos. Required ingredients: 3 tablespoons corn flour, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon chili flakes, half tablespoon pepper powder. Take 3 potatoes and boil them. In a bowl, mix all the ingredients. From dough, make like this. Now, fry 1 or 2 minutes in boiled oil. Now, tasty potato fries are ready. In the coming up video, I will show how to prepare methi rice, which is good for health. Thank you for watching and following.